Here on this channel, we endeavor to look at the natural world with a clear and analytical eye. Our purpose is not merely to present spectacle, but to understand the intricate machinery of life. We seek the underlying causes, the hidden connections, the reasons why animals behave as they do. Today, our subject is a creature in the quiet, dark waters of South America, the electric eel. This animal is far more than a simple curiosity. It is a living battery, a predator that has harnessed one of nature's fundamental forces. It actively shapes the ecosystem around it, not with teeth or claws, but with an invisible field of energy. We will investigate the remarkable biology that allows this creature to generate and control powerful electrical discharges. We will examine, with precision, how it employs this ability to hunt, how it employs this ability to perceive its surroundings in complete darkness. The eel's behavior is not a series of random shocks, but a calculated strategy, refined by millions of years of evolution. The animal we commonly call the electric eel is not in fact a true eel. It belongs to a group of fishes known as the knife fish. Its scientific name is Electrophorus electricus, and there are two other recently identified species in the same genus. Native to the Amazon River and the Orinoco River, they thrive in slow-moving, often muddy waters, swamps, creeks, floodplain pools. These environments are frequently dark and low in oxygen. An adult can reach a formidable size, well over 2 meters long and up to 20 kilograms. Snake-like, with a small head, nearly no dorsal or pelvic fins, propulsion comes from a graceful, wave-like undulation of a long anal fin along the underside. This enables slow, deliberate, silent movement, forwards-backwards. The electric eel is an obligate air breather. It must surface every 10 to 15 minutes to gulp air. Oxygen is absorbed through capillaries in its mouth. About 4/5 of its body houses specialized electric organs. Main organ hunter's organ, Sachs organ. These organs are made of thousands of modified muscle cells, electrocytes. Electrocytes are stacked like batteries in series. When thousands fire together, they produce a powerful field. Shocks can exceed 600 volts. The organs are neurologically controlled with precision, so the eel can modulate voltage and frequency. The Sachs organ provides low-voltage signals for navigation and for communication. The main and hunter's organs generate high-voltage shocks, used in hunting, used in defense. The eel's brain and heart sit in the front of the body, insulated from its own discharges by surrounding tissues. This design underpins a unique predatory strategy. In the turbid, lightless waters of the Amazon, vision is of limited use. The electric eel has therefore evolved an alternative way of perceiving its world, electrolocation. This is an active sensory system, similar to a bat's echolocation, but using electricity instead of sound. The eel uses its Sachs organ to generate continuous, weak, low-voltage pulses. These pulses radiate outwards, creating a stable electric field that envelops the eel like an invisible sensory bubble. Through this field, the eel sees its environment, making darkness irrelevant to finding food. Any object or creature that enters this field will distort it. The eel's skin is dotted with hundreds of tiny receptors exquisitely sensitive to those distortions. Objects that conduct electricity better than water concentrate field lines. Metal object, another fish. A non-conductive object like a rock makes field lines spread out. The eel's brain processes those distortion patterns, building a detailed, three-dimensional electrical image of nearby space. Size, shape, distance, movement, potential prey. This system is incredibly precise. Field studies show eels can detect minute electrical signals from a heartbeat, gill movements of a hidden fish. It's a form of remote touch, letting the predator find prey that is completely motionless or buried in the substrate. The constant, low-frequency pulsing acts like surveillance, giving real-time environmental updates. When it detects the electrical signature of a meal, it can orient and attack without ever seeing the target, a huge advantage for a nocturnal hunter. This electric sense is a clear example of cause and effect in evolution. Dark, murky water created selective pressure against vision. In response, this lineage refined electric field generation and perception, turning physics into a sensory tool. This adaptation solved navigation in darkness and set the stage for the eel to evolve into a highly specialized predator. The same system that finds the way also finds the food. Once prey has been detected using its low-voltage sensory field, the electric eel transitions from navigator to hunter. It unleashes the power of its main organ and hunter's organ, delivering high-voltage discharges that are as strategic as they are powerful. The hunting sequence is not a single wild blast of energy, but a sophisticated, multi-stage process. The initial attack often consists of a rapid volley of 2 high-voltage pulses fired in quick succession of 3 high-voltage pulses fired in quick succession. These initial shocks are not necessarily intended to kill, but to remotely control the prey's nervous system. The electric current overwhelms the victim's motor neurons, causing massive, involuntary muscle contractions. This remote control tactic is remarkably effective. A fish struck by these pulses will twitch uncontrollably, revealing its exact location even if it was previously hidden from the eel's electric sense. Following this initial volley, the eel may deliver a much more powerful, sustained burst of high-voltage current. This shock is designed to stun or kill the prey outright, rendering it immobile and easy to consume. The eel will then swim forward, locate the incapacitated victim with its mouth, and swallow it whole, usually head first. This entire sequence, from detection to consumption, can happen in a matter of seconds. Research has revealed even more complex hunting behaviors. For instance, an eel hunting larger or more elusive prey will sometimes curl its body by bringing its tail, the negative pole of its battery, closer to its head, the positive pole. It dramatically intensifies the electric field in the space between. Any prey caught within this loop is subjected to a much more powerful shock, doubling the voltage it experiences. This is a deliberate physical action that amplifies the eel's electrical weapon, demonstrating a form of tool use where the tool is its own body, manipulated to exploit the laws of physics. Furthermore, the eel can adjust its attack based on feedback from its prey. If an initial shock does not fully incapacitate a fish, the eel can deliver further volleys, sometimes targeting the prey with repeated pulses to induce muscle fatigue until it can no longer swim. This is not a simple reflex, it is a dynamic process of action and reaction. The eel assesses the situation and escalates its attack as needed. A close-range attack requires less power than a long-range one. The eel demonstrates prudence in deploying power. Studies show it modulates shocks, intensity, duration, based on size of prey, resistance of prey. A small fish may need only a short, moderate burst. A larger, more powerful fish may provoke a full-voltage, sustained discharge. This calibration prevents wasting energy on small meals. It ensures just enough power is used and no more. This is crucial for a predator with a high running cost. During the breeding season, typically the dry season, eels show complex social behavior. Males stop feeding, build nests from aquatic vegetation, creating basins where females lay eggs. Males fertilize the eggs, then guard the nest aggressively until hatching. Low-voltage pulses play a crucial role in these interactions. Those gentle electric whispers convey information like species identity, sex size, reproductive readiness. They let eels coordinate breeding in murky water where vision fails. As a top predator in its specific habitat, the electric eel exerts a significant and shaping influence on the river ecosystem. Its role extends far beyond simply consuming other fish. Its presence creates ripple effects that cascade through the local food web. By preying on a wide variety of fish, amphibians, invertebrates, the eel helps to regulate their populations. It often removes the slower, weaker, less vigilant individuals, which can indirectly contribute to the overall health and fitness of the prey populations. This selective pressure is a fundamental engine of natural selection, within the river community. Furthermore, when an electric eel dies, its large body provides a substantial source of nutrients for scavengers and decomposers, returning vital organic matter to the ecosystem. It is a key player in the cycle of life and death in the Amazonian floodplain. Its very existence defines the rules of survival for many other organisms. The electric eel is not merely a resident of the river, it is an active ecological engineer whose unique predatory strategy helps to structure the community, dictate the behavior of other animals, and maintain a dynamic balance within its environment.